Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are actually creating this eye look with this lip choice. I tried to do a cool toned look, and if you see, I think I managed to do that. I am not 100% sure if this eye look actually suits me, but I enjoyed creating it, and you know, it is something different. I very rarely do any cool toned eye looks. Plus I'm wearing lashes as well, so I'm feeling super fancy today. But yeah, if you want to see how I came up with this eye look, then just keep on watching.
Taking the Essence Colour Intensifying Eyeshadow Base, and I'm priming my eyelids, and I'm also using my sponge to blend it out. Then I'm going into the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Powder, and I'm setting the base. Going into the Sleek Au Naturel palette, and I'm taking this light taupe shade and I'm placing this into the transition area. Then I'm going into the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette, and I'm taking this darker cool toned brown and I'm placing this in the crease and on the outer corner. I'm taking the Colourpop Zodiac palette and the shade Virgo, and I'm using this to intensify the crease and the outer corner. Going into the light taupe shade, and I'm blending out the edges. Then going into the Capricorn, and I'm placing that on my outer corner as well as a little bit into my crease. I am going back into the Virgo, and I'm just blending. I'm taking the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer, and I'm placing this on my lid as a base for the next shade. Then I'm taking this Bone shade and I'm setting the concealer. I'm going into the Catrice eyeshadow sticks, and I'm placing this on the lid on top of the concealer. Then I'm going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette and the shade Dubai, and I'm placing this on top of our green base. I'm going back into the Virgo, and I'm blending out the edges. I'm taking the shade the Capricorn, and I am intensifying the outer corner. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the light taupe, and I'm placing this across my lower lash line. To intensify this, I'm taking the shade Virgo, and I am placing it on top. On the very outer corner of my lower lash line, I'm taking the shade the Capricorn. Then I'm taking the MUA Bronzer Sculpt Compact, and I'm highlighting my inner corner with the highlighting shade. For my mascara, I'm taking my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Then I'm taking the Essence Long Lasting Pencil, and I'm placing this on my waterline as well as my tight line. For my lips, I'm taking the Essence Lip Liner and the Oriza Beauty lipsticks, both in a very nude shade. Finally, I am taking the PS3D Angel lashes, and I am placing those on my own lashes.
So that is it for today's video. It did take me a while. I think that eye look must have taken me 45 minutes to do, but I was listening to some music, you know, and kind of fucking around anyway. But that is it. Like I said, if you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You can also leave some suggestions down in the comments below of what kind of looks you would want me to do next time. I will be more than happy to do that in the future. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.